Okay, class, in the previous lesson, we have seen how sampling works. Now let us look at advantages and disadvantages of sampling. Let's begin with advantages. Number one, sampling saves time because the researcher does not need to deal with the whole population. He deals with the sample. Two, conclusions are easy to come up with since they are generalization of the entire population. Next, the method is cheap because the researcher deals with just a sample, not the whole population. Sampling promotes skills of making samples and problem solving. The more you try samples, the more knowledge you get about handling and solving different problems. What are the disadvantages of sampling? One, information got may be biased by the researcher because people believe in seeing every part of the sample. I mean every part of the population, not one part of the whole population. Wrong information may be got in case a wrong sample is selected. If a wrong sample has been selected, you expect a wrong answer or wrong information. The researcher may be biased with choosing the samples which will yield poor results. For example, the researcher may choose a relative as a sample, and this relative will be really giving answers not to annoy the researcher. It is tiresome to make samples because there is when you make the first sample, doesn't work well, you divide the sample into smallest samples, you end up subdividing until you get the right information, which is tiresome. And not all people have skills of selecting the best samples. It is somehow expensive because the researcher must go to the area of study, and this involves transport. Compared to questionnaire, remember. Thank you.